it will become much easier for you to relate to them, and आपको फिर ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी उनको मेमोराइज करने। ठीक है। Now analytical school में, as you know, we have Jeremy Bentham, we have Hans Kelsen, we have H.L.A. Hart, and we have John Austin. These are the four main jurists that we are going to do in the analytical school of thought. ठीक है। Now, couple of things that we need to understand. First of all, why is this school called the analytical school? See, it is called analytical because they focus on the analysis of law, or what you can say legal theory. They focus on analyzing what exactly the law is, and then they come to the conclusion that this is the legal theory at a particular given point of time. Fine. So their main tool of study is the analysis of law. Their main tool of study is the analysis of law. That is why it is called the analytical school of jurisprudence. Achha, it is also called the English school of jurisprudence. It is also called the English school of jurisprudence. The reason for calling it the English school of jurisprudence is that all the jurists belong to England, and that is why it is also called the English school of jurisprudence. It is not majority, but all the students, they belong to England. That is why it is also called the English school of jurisprudence. Fine. It is also called the positive school. Now, can anybody recall why is it called the positive school of jurisprudence? Huh? Because as it is, meaning what? But why positive? Why the term positive? Because it is derived from the Latin term positum, which means laid down. So whatever has been laid down as it is, that needs to be studied. That is why it is also called positive school. ये हमने कल discuss करा था. It is derived from the Latin term positum, meaning laid down. So the law which is laid down, that is what is analyzed. So why are they called the positive school? Because according to them, only the present law needs to be studied. They only study the laid down, enacted as it is present law. That is why they are also called the positive school. Achha, they are also called imperative school. Why are they called the imperative school? Why is the analytical school also known as the imperative school of jurisprudence? What do you mean by imperative? What is the meaning of imperative? Huh? Important? Compulsory. Imperative means compulsory. Imperative means compulsory, mandatory. It is a mandate. That is the meaning of imperative. So now can anybody understand why this school is known as the imperative school of jurisprudence? We will face evil consequences if the law is not followed. Can we say it in other words that since it is based on command and sanction, that is why it is known as the imperative school? Since it is based on command and sanction, that is why it is also called the imperative school of jurisprudence. Imperative means compulsory, and command means what? Optional or compulsory? Compulsory. Command. Somebody is being commanded to do something. So if I command you to do something, it is what? It is compulsory for you to do that. Else you will face evil consequences. So since it is based on command and sanction, that is why it is known as imperative school of jurisprudence. It is also called teleological school of jurisprudence. It is also called teleological school of jurisprudence. Now, why is it called the teleological school of jurisprudence? Why is it also called the teleological? What is the meaning of teleological? अब imperative नहीं पता, teleological तो बिल्कुल नहीं पता होगा. Teleological का मतलब हुआ, teleological means you can say end product या result या conclusion. End product or result or conclusion. ठीक है? It basically is, the larger purpose or the bigger dimension. That is teleological. Larger purpose, bigger dimension, broader horizon. That is teleological. Fine. अब इस पे ना एक चीज आप लिख लीजिए टेलियोलॉजिकल के नीचे. ऑस्टिन, केल्सन एंड हार्ट. मैं आपको ये बता रहा हूं कि टेलियोलॉजिकल क्यों कहा जाता है इसे. ऑस्टिन, केल्सन एंड हार्ट हैव नॉट टॉक्ड अबाउट द पर्पस ऑफ लॉ. टेलियोलॉजिकल का मतलब लार्जर पर्पस या कंक्लूजन या एंड प्रोडक्ट. But Austin, Kelson and Hart have not talked about the purpose of law. Full stop. Only Bentham has talked about the purpose of law. Only Bentham has talked about the purpose of law. Only Bentham has talked about the purpose of law. Only Bentham has talked about the purpose of law. Full stop. It is because of him that the analytical school is also called as teleological school. It is because of him that the analytical school is also called as teleological school.